So within Blender, we can enable key presses and mouse buttons to be represented within the overlay. Now, my previous video regarding this, we see that that's no longer working in 4.1. And I'm going to show you how you can install an add-on that will also work for Blender 4.1 and also for the newer version 4.2. So this will be screencast keys. I will also put the download from GitHub in the video description. You will need to download this zip file, so screencast keys. And let's take a look. This will be Blender 4.1. And as you can see, I already have the screencast enabled over here, and all the key presses and mouse clicks will be visually represented over here. So if I will grab this, I will grab it on the X, on the Y, on the Z. We're gonna see how those will appear over here. Now, in order to enable screencast, you need to go to Edit, Preferences, and over here within the add-on section, you will have to install this, and you will need to select that zip file. So I will store this by the date modified, and I will go all the way where I have the zip files, and we're gonna see I already have this downloaded 3 times, but this is the most recent version, so we see today. You just need to select it, install add-on, and afterwards, if you're gonna check over here, install add-ons only, it's not mandatory, but this will filter only those that are installed. You can search for it over here and just make sure that you have that check enabled. That means that this is currently running. And afterwards, if you're gonna press N, this will give you the side panel over here, and you can adjust over here the font size. For example, now all of those key presses will be large. You can also change the thickness of the line, the mouse size over here, you can also adjust that. And you can also play around with the positioning over here. So maybe you want it to be on the right side. I usually prefer to keep it over here on the left side. Now, let's see that the same add-on will also work within the newer version. So this is Blender 4.2. So Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. I already have this installed over here as well. So you can go over here, install from disk. You will select the same zip file. I already have it installed, so I will just check it. That will start it. And now I'll need to check the screencast over here at the top. And again, we're gonna see those will work. I just need to increase the font size and maybe the mouse size. And again, if I will select this, I want to rotate it. We're gonna see how those key presses will work. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I will position a similar video over here on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.